Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and basic status so you avoid chasing ghosts. Plug the adapter into a known good outlet and verify the LED pattern. Steady green means powered, blinking may mean booting, amber can indicate errors. Once done, swap the adapter temporarily or test the outlet with another device to rule out power. Make sure you have an Ethernet cable and your admin login ready. These let you move immediately into diagnostics without pausing for setup. You now perform targeted restarts and isolation to pinpoint the fault. Unplug the box for 30 seconds, wait another 30, then plug it back in. This clears memory and renegotiates ISB settings. Next, connect a laptop directly by Ethernet to see if the issue is Wi-Fi only. This separates modem versus wireless problems. Then log into the box's admin page, check the WAN or DSL sync status, and scan system logs. These tell you whether the ISB link or internal firmware is failing. You finish by fixing software faults and verifying configuration. If an update is available, install firmware via the admin interface. This resolves known bugs. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reconfigure SSID, password, and security mode. Use WPA2 or WPA3 and a strong passphrase to eliminate corrupted settings. Once configured, confirm internet access via Ethernet and Wi-Fi. If it still fails, note LEDs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.